Never mind. You get over it.
You sure about that, though?
What was your daily word this morning?
My daily word.
Come here, ready for episode 3 and don't
No, my daily word was, the story is that the person who wrote the story said his wife had Alzheimer's disease, but he's a pastor. And he was wondering how we would look after her and look after the church and the congregation. But then he never had to worry because folks just came in and helped him out and stuff. And the devotion suggests that we all have that. We were given a gift of caring and love from the Heavenly Father. So sometimes when you think that you can go out and help out the folks. And the reading is
Don't
Corinthians.
Help him. Somebody told you.
No.
Here. Yes?
No.
I heard.
Nobody ever said
Was it Corinthians, Harold? No, it was not.
It's Corinthians, man.
Oh my God.
Go for the daily word.
Corinthians, Isaiah.
Go for the daily word. Go for the daily
That's
word,
why you lost
please.
swords in hand on Friday, guy.
No.
And you don't know your
Who have the daily word? It is Corinthians.
It was Isaiah.
I am betting. I will bet him.
Harold, did you
read
it this morning?
I am betting it's Corinthians.
Who should I bet on?
Bet me.
No.
I'm telling you, it's Corinthians. I know it's Corinthians. Hold on, somebody just...
Navlin will tell you.
Navlin soon tell me whether I'm right or not.
All right, while we do that, let me tell you what's going on in the hot topics. JUTC is going to discontinue its dedicated bus lane. Oh my gosh, we're still talking about this. And finally a resolve on Mandela Highway. The JUTC, come Thursday, April 20, that's this Thursday, is going to be discontinuing the dedicated bus lane on the Mandela Highway to facilitate improvement work that's being done on the highway. That means that all JUTC buses out of Spanish Town are going to use the regular lanes, which will also mean more travel time and fewer trips during the morning commute.
So they said commuters should therefore expect longer than normal delays and are encouraged to plan their morning commute with this in mind. Now there are long delays, period.
Yeah.
So if it is longer, it would suggest that you have to leave your home way before you normally do.
And folks who are coming from that side usually have to leave out so early anyway.
Yeah, but they say this is not going to... Wait, is that?
Talk to man till her... Yes, man.
Wait, is everyone? Oh, tell her for me now, please. No, tell her for me, please. Say it loud now, sir. Thank you very much.
Harold.
No, I want you to go for it and
so
show.
Bigly
No.
in our Easter Monday, yeah?
It's Corinthians. I read the thing this morning. I know him wrong.
I stepped out in faith and went with you, Virgin. You let me down.
You see, that's you
have to ask forgiveness now.
No, that is the thing. We are a team here, and you go against me, and you change your team this morning. Is that right?
Sometimes you have to switch up the thing, you know.
I drink spirulina. I have a memory like an elephant. Oh, we know a memory. Elephant have a good memory, by the way. I have a question to ask you about the elephant. Jamaica.
What's the question?
Eh?
What's the question?
I'll ask you off here.
No, but you said you have a question to ask us.
Jamaican centenarian.
Yes.
Violet Brown
Miss
is
V.
now the oldest living person in the world. She's 117 years and 36 days old. And she took over from Italian Emma Morano, who passed away on Saturday. She was born on March 10, Miss V, 1900. And she says she eats everything except chicken and pork. And attributes her longevity to working hard. They were cane farmers. They sold their crops to Long Pond Sugar Estate. Later, her husband became the caretaker at the neighboring cemetery. And he called on his wife's skills to assist him in record keeping. There you go. Congrats. 117 years old.
Can you imagine that?
36.
And she's from Trelawney.
Yeah.
So the world's oldest person and the world's fastest person are from Trelawney, which is a near statistical impossibility.
That's fantastic.
Isn't that incredible?
Yeah.
Come CNN or NBC.
Hold on. Vineyard Town must have some world greatest.
Oh, they do. They have a world something. I don't know if it's greatest necessarily. But
you're not speaking of my family like that.
No, I'm speaking of you specific. Your family was great.
Okay.
Your mother is fantastic. Your sisters, you know.
Janet Jackson. What Janet Jackson did now?
She posted a photo of her and her son. She's getting divorced though. Anyway, Oh, my
They should have
God.
just married the other day to this
Disgusting.
gentleman.
5 years, I think. But they're divorcing. So she posted this picture
How
on
old is she?
Twitter.
50?
She's 50 something.
And she had the child.
She had a child at 50.
It says the
didn't she?
50-year-old posted the image, so she's 50
Oh.
now.
Well,
She married 2012. 5 years, you're right.
5 years, yeah.
She has 27 nieces and nephews. This is her first child? Congrats, Miss
She had
Jan.
always wanted to have kids.
That's
But she
fantastic.
doesn't age. Can you see the picture again? Look at her.
Yeah, she looks.
My God.
She's beautiful.
And that baby's adorbs. Adorbs. Okay,